Gala price forecast, which scenario has a greater probability of a 45% increase or a 30% decline? Since the beginning of January, the price of Gala has experienced a decline below a declining resistance line. The rejection occurred on August 6 as a consequence of the line. The data on both the daily and 6-hour time frames exhibit bearish tendencies, indicating the possibility of a sustained decline in prices towards the horizontal support region at $0.0150. Despite the bearish price forecast, the potential recapture of the 0.0225 horizontal region has the potential to alter the short-term trajectory towards a bullish outlook, which could cause a 45 rise. In the short term, the price of Gala fell after breaking through a horizontally aligned support level. Presently, it is nearing the region of its historical low price. The daily and 6-hourly readings are bearish, providing support for the ongoing downward trend. The Gala is trading below the level of long-term resistance, indicating a decline. Since the beginning of the year, Gala's price has followed a downward trend parallel to a descending resistance line. A similar decline has been observed in Bitcoin and all other cryptocurrencies. The most recent occurrence of the lie resulted in a rejection on August 6, as indicated by the presence of a red icon. The price has experienced a decline since then and continues to trade below the declining resistance line. If the ongoing decline continues, it is anticipated that the region at an all-time low of 0.0155 will serve as a level of support. The region exhibits a decline of 28% relative to the current price. Conversely, the growth rate of Gala may increase in the near future using the Relative Strength Index RSI as a momentum indicator. The daily RSI demonstrates a bearish trend, indicating that the prevailing downtrend is the most likely trajectory for future pricing. Traders are able to assess the potential overbought or oversold conditions within a market. This information assists them in making informed decisions regarding the accumulation or sale of assets. Bullish market conditions are observed when the Relative Strength Index RSI reading exceeds 50 and exhibits an upward trend, whereas bearish market conditions are observed when the RSI reading falls below 50 and exhibits a downward trend. When the RSI reading falls below 50, success occurs. The indicator is presently below 50 and exhibiting a downward trend, indicating a bearish trend and potential price decline for Gala may result in substantial decline. The 6-hour chart's technical analysis is consistent with the pessimistic signals observed on the daily time frame. The primary factor contributing to this phenomenon is the persistent decline below the horizontal level of $0.0225. The region served as a source of support for approximately 60 days prior to the current breakdown. So there is a possibility that the price has begun a decline towards the historical low level of $0.0150. The likelihood is strengthened by the RSI during the occurrence of the market disruption, as indicated by the red symbol. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, dropped below the 50-point threshold. Consequently, the RSI has continued to decline, indicating an adverse trend in light of the negative price forecast for Gala. The successful reclaiming of the 0.0225 horizontal area would be a potential indicator of a bullish short-term trend. In this scenario, it is anticipated that the falling resistance line will be breached, followed by a 45% surge towards the next resistance level at $0.0320. Bitcoin price prediction as crypto prices fall and BTC falls to $29,000. Here are key levels to observe. Once again, the unpredictability of the cryptocurrency market is demonstrated when Bitcoin, the most popular digital currency, takes a major hit and falls to approximately $29,000. Despite the fact that the prices of all cryptocurrencies are falling, there is still a great deal of debate about Bitcoin's near path and stability. Currently, Bitcoin's price is just below $29,000. And buyers and traders are keeping a close eye on possible shifts and key levels that could determine the next step. Even though Bitcoin fell 0.92% in the last day, its coin market capitalization still places it at the top of the market. However, As this digital behemoth nears the point where it can no longer produce any more, the market may undergo further changes. Here's a clearer look at the current situation and what to expect. What will Bitcoin cost? Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, appears to be declining. Its price recently dropped below the significant $29,000 threshold. Bitcoin's price is falling below its 50-day exponential moving average, indicating a pessimistic position. A breach of the 29,250 level could exacerbate the current downtrend, which is bearish. Current technical indicators, such as the Relative Strength Index RSI and the Moving Average Convergence, support the bullish outlook. Divergence of the MACD Bitcoin's immediate resistance is around $29,000, and a close below this level could indicate that there are excellent opportunities to sell short. Bitcoin's most important support is close to the $29,000 threshold. A decline below this level could bring its price to around $28,750. Alternatively, if Bitcoin breaks through the resistance at $29,250, it will be prepared to meet the next resistance at $29,400. Around $29,600. A further rise is anticipated to encounter strong resistance. To summarize, buyers should keep a close eye on the $29,250 level. Always identify pessimistic patterns such as a descending engulfing candlestick settlements below the 50-day moving average and other bearish indicators such as the RSI and MACD could signal a decline in the day's trading session, according to Vitalik. However, Elon, the co-founder of Ethereum, has praised X's new community notes feature, noting that despite not being a cryptocurrency, it aligns with core blockchain beliefs. Community Notes was launched by X, the social media giant formerly known as Twitter. Since then, its popularity has steadily increased, and it has become one of the site's most essential tools. Community Notes is an open-source project, which means that anyone can contribute, even though the feature is still in its pilot phase. It is an integral part of a growing community of people who want to find and correct false information on the microblogging platform Vitalik. However, according to Elon, the tool and some block lists are preventing the community from achieving its goals. Bitcoin price prediction as BTC jumps 2% in 24 hours, time to buy? The recent 2% rise in the price of Bitcoin in just 24 hours has made people wonder what it might mean for buyers. As the market continues to change, the question arises, does this rise mean that now is a good time to think about buying Bitcoin? We should find out. Michael Saylor's